Hi there, welcome back to Amaize Health, your journey to amazing health. So, we're continuing our headache conversation. Most often, when you go to the doctor and you're having migraines, you'll get told, try to keep a migraine diary or a headache diary, which is basically just jotting down the things that happened in the preceding 24 hours before your headache started. So, what kinds of foods did you eat? Were you tired? Things like that. That could potentially be contributing to the headache. So, like I mentioned before, sleep, poor hydration, uncontrolled blood pressure are all things that can make a headache worse. But another thing that can trigger headaches are different types of foods. This includes alcohol and red wine and or cheese. They contain tyramine, and tyramine is can be a migraine trigger. Or if you're someone who has high blood pressure, it actually can elevate your blood pressure even more, and that can potentially cause your headache. Alcohol also is quite dehydrating, and dehydration can lead to headaches. Chocolate is another potential trigger. So even though some of us use chocolate to soothe us or to make us feel better, chocolate actually can potentially trigger your migraine. So that's definitely something you should be jotting down in that diary. Then there's coffee. Having more than 2 cups of coffee per day can trigger your migraines. So I'm not saying don't have your morning coffee if you need it to kind of get going, but don't have too much. And then there's artificial sweeteners, which tends to be in like calorie free drinks. So those are things that you might want to avoid if you notice you're having a lot of headaches. Keep track of that diary, bring it into your doctor so they can best help you. Join me again next week as we complete our conversation about headaches. Have a great week.